Hi everyone, let's see how to add logo in Shopify Store. Well friends, here I'm on the admin panel of my Shopify Store. Once you are here, just click online store, and once you are here, come over here on the bottom. Here you can see edit theme. Click edit theme, and here you can see Shopify theme customizer. Okay friends, we are going to add logo here. So what we need to do, here you can see theme setting, the cog icon or setting icon. Click the setting icon, and here you can see logo and favicon. Just click over here, and here you can see default logo, inverse logo, and favicon. Okay friends, I'm going to select here to set the default logo. Just click select, hit add files. I'm going to select all the files, hit open. Okay, here goes the default logo. Just select it and hit done. And instantly you can see the beautiful logo here on my website. And then here you can see inverse logo. Well friends, an inverse logo is simply a white version of your brand logo. Inverse logo works best on dark background. Okay, click select, and here you can see inverse logo. Select, hit done. Okay, from here you can also select the height and width of your logo. Okay, here you can see favicon. What is favicon? Here you can see on the top, you can see Shopify icon. It is favicon. It will be displayed here on the browser tab. Click select, and here is favicon. Select it and hit done. And on the top right corner here you can see save. Just click save. Okay friends, now go to my demo and hit reload, and here you can see our favicon, and here is our logo.